In this vlog, we would like to see the process of Android Studio upgradation to the latest version available. So if you are a beginner and you are confused with this particular process, I suggest you to watch till the end of this tutorial, and I will be showing you a very clear way of understanding what is the current Android Studio version you are using and how to update it. So the very first thing you need to do, if you are using Mac here, so under Android Studio, you have got an option like About Android Studio. So when you tap on this particular option, you will be knowing the latest version which you are using on your system. So I am using Android Studio Chipmunk version here, and currently Dolphin is been released. So it's been like more than 2 weeks, but I would like to show you the process of upgradation from Android Studio Chipmunk to Android Studio Dolphin. So let's tap on the check for updates button here. If you are using Windows machine, these options are available under help here. So under help, you are going to have check for updates option and about Android Studio option if you are using Windows machine. But for Mac users, it is available under the Android Studio drop down here. So just tap on the check for updates here, and this will be launching you here an option to update. So here at the bottom right, we have got an option like Android Studio Dolphin 2021.3.1 is available for us. So when you tap on this particular update button here, it will be showing you a dialog box with what are all the new things which are coming up with our latest update. And here there is also a small warning like plugin incompatible with the new build found. So for now you can just skip this particular warning message and try to tap on update and restart if you really want to update your current Android Studio.